Hello and welcome to our Angular unit test case tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we are going to start a kind of unique series where basically we will be discussing how and what is the purpose of this Jasmine and Karma in Angular to do the unit test cases. So without wasting our time, let's get started and let's understand like how we can create a test app first. So this is the command to create test app, and then the basic thing which we will understand first of all, like when you want to create an app, so you have to run this command ng new angular test app, and then basically what it will do, it will create a kind of structure of the you will get. Okay, so here you will get a, this is the when I run this command, it will create app like this, and there you can see the src app folder. Inside src we have a app component.ts. So here you can see the app of your name of your app, and then which is included in the selector and all. Then we have a app component file. Here basically the all those things which is in react, basically which is in angular. And then we have a spec dot. So basically here this is the main file spec. So whatever unit test you're going to write, you have to write it in here. And we have a describe. Inside describe we have a before each method. Here you can see, and inside before each we have a it. So in the it we are writing the unit test cases. So you can see here we have 3 unit test case. So the diagram which I shown you, so here you can see we have a describe in the top, and before each is independent of all. It will run before all. So before each runs in any other block. So first of all, when we run before each will run, then it will run all 3 unit test cases. So by looking at the example, you can see this is happening like this is happening like before each describe, and then we have a whatever component you want to import. So here basically we have a routing enabled in it. So that's why it's calling the routing module in the imports, and you can see we have a uh, kind of like a app routing module, so which is in there. That's why it is that's why we have to import in the here. So whatever module you are using, you have to import it here. And the declaration which you have to define, like app component, this unit test case is for app component. So here we have to define this. So if you see the unit test cases, let's see by by running so how you the when you run the command ng test. So you should see the you should see the like how it will show and what it will basically run. So what command you will run to run this unit test case app, you have to run ng test in there to run the app. To run the app, basically we will run this command, the test case. So that time we have to run ng test command. So let's see. So I had already run there, and and basically what happened, it's already I run in my here. So you can see itself. So I will do control C. I will cut it, and again I will run for you ng test. So once you run ng test, it should navigate and open a new window basically, and there you will see the test results and all. So basically what it will do, it will run these 3 test cases. So here you can see, should be create new app, should we have a title angular test app, should render title. So all these 3 test cases it will verify. So new window open, you can see, and you can see here first unit test case, and second unit test case, and third unit test. So whatever we, it's by default it has defined there. So all title is coming there. So inside title, so in the next video, like what we are planning to discuss all this in detail. So in the overview I have shown you like how we create a new project. So you have to run the command ng new angular app, and then you get the this folder in any folder. Like suppose I have a run in my local folder, in my local desktop folder. I created a folder, and there you can open it, and this is the folder. So here, from here, this I have to import in this one. So here you can go and you can open the folder as a workspace, and there you will get this kind of structure, and there you can. So yeah, moving on, next we move to broader tutorial.